Chibai vek bule tuntum chu Museum of the Bible Washington DC Maryland om kan tlo na video toy te karon vom khom le don ani
random tu
Boy na ka sai ya lo tu.
kan ni sa thang lu to với na hian Bible Museum kan kal don na ma che kan lak sak lo tu
Ma se ka om
ma se oma achun som na chu kan tilang don nge don lo kan sai the ri lo ma se kan thing chep to Bible Museum kan khami muna khan kan cheng photang adot le amu ta kan cheng photang adot le kan ri ro ha na chu kan soyang
bondo
Bible Museum hi kumnga vel sakani nuwa November sang hi som pasari khan minut puilu theile en thein honani a tundin huna hian Khawvel Bible Museum lian berani meka Bible le akai noi thil sang sang sing ni chuang heta hian en tur omani
pomegranate
thấy từ sọc nó thì biết gì sợ giờ về để cho mình
Nazareth ko ang kanmi mission ali ng say.
In my time, a fish that we do have also in the Sea of Galilee is the catfish. The catfish does not have the scales. And so in my time, I cannot look all the way to the bottom of the sea and see where it lives. It lives at the bottom, seeing that deep the box.
Nazareth khoang lai ang khana la in chia ki ni chu gai ko kan la ve to me ni kan ka ve to me ni oli fra ko lo to ne me ni isa ko lai ang he ashil fa tu te hi anin chei ze la heta ko mi pa ya ni isa ko lai ang tak Nazareth khoa anin chei tur ang tak ko na la in chei alo shil fa na sa to Hey, pop man, I don't know man. I look up. So you olive oil lah, yang dan thang. Tu yang soal ni thang ni. Lau umbe ko ka. Lau insyal siya ni sakit ni. Olive ko, wait a minute. Rasa.
Tight pieces. I'm going to put that in your hand if it's okay. So you want to take time to examine that to see if you can come here. And you will see in the lights, it's easier to see from there. And you see there, those pieces. Now you're going to look at the top. The top is right there. See the top there? Right, there we go. And you can see those little characters. They're very small. Look at that. Can you make out what you see there? I think it's like
Letter.
a letter on.
This is M.
Okay, you've got an M. And what do you say you have?
This looks like N. I don't know.
No, you haven't. Let me see what you have.
This looks like A too. I don't know.
You say N?
N and it looks like A
That's it.
too.
We have. That, my dear, is a Z. Oh, what do you have?
M.
M? That is because it's an N.
Oh.
That's good, right? But these pieces are very small, right? Yeah, very small. But do you know? Now, what's going on? All the Christian, everyone say Christian. Christian is very important. Make sure everything stays alive, my friends. So we certainly contribute to the Christian action of Christian. So we're fine right now. And they're going to talk to you. Now we'll have to remember you as a big one. So I'm quite sure. I'm a living, no worries. Now we'll have to do this a little something called the first kiss. Well, it's a very faint sound, so I need help from you to bounce to three. To chew in that silence. Then we'll hear what's called the first kiss. You guys ready? All right, let's count to three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is. All right. If you'd like to take a your work out. Take your work.
Om vem ti kan song do na chuanin Bible translation hi trong dang danga an translate hi sang thum le ti om to a chu ta chuan mi zo Bible heta hanan da ve em ti kha kan song do ni heta chuan kan song chin show all languages mi zo ti khan kan song do na ni ma em atam lu to ka em ring ta changa in chan po hi chu wangin kan ti chau char charang e o MB lani o hi tam lu tuk krem MI wait what tấm về heta hian om do ne hey mizo mizo click chinang heta hi mizo ka moe mi dâu Bible lâu om về kéo mày hay ra Bible om gì ngại hơn mi dâu Bible khá lâu om về tắt mày nít chứ Bible hal nu le Bible phalo nak mun chi sang sang te puan tar lang tel boka chu baga chuan tun ma a ko shan chi sang sang biak in om dan le amun ma te reuh te te in an lo siam boka mi ta tleya mo no am hle ni Bible in tin nghe feeling apek che an ding ya do kan kam han let jam lo thi tak Bible ina min lo chu peace min pe ti ka jak do na chu khami ka jak hai ta lo langa nga he asira te pon na ron nam chin ma ni chu soเป็นซอสก่อนแล้วตัดไปแล้วพีซโอ้พีซก็จะคงตั้งใจกินน้ำตาลอร่อยหลังไม่ยังพีซเรียกคนปัสSo, masa. Oh yes, there. Wow.
Bible Museum chunga hian Washington Revelation ti hi om shanga ticket chan pa lo ngai che nia movie theater 3D 5D 7D emoponi se khatiang ang deuh kan en khani deuh bera Washington DC mun poi mo te chunga Bible chang in jiak te kha alem lemin khaw ko in kan en khani deuh ber mai ding chungin in von na tur kha a oma ta khan kan in von beta kan din na mun bik te khan ron ti che zela khawang khan rai por le lu hai ne te tan kha chuanin ati che lu tuk lem lo mai theya ma se kha po kha kan lop ma khanin zo na khamin lo zo chawika safety kha ngai pui mo thin khop maya en radio lak chon lu hai do na ma se eng kan kal ngai lo na mun te le building mun chang chang banga te le enge monila ya pathian thulo om thin an tar lang kha kan lo shat ngai me alo nya ke ma phe chat mo dam ka tia ro pui ka ti khop mai tuna kan huang hian reception counter le amun marshal sha na thok tu te zinga hian Jewish mi an thok ve nual ani ainga po son ge se he mun hi lalpa wanga ka thleng theile ka mu thei ka lo me ma Bible history tam tak ziak le chiar tur te en tur om te hero pui ka ti a pathian mal som na ni in ka sha ani